Using the Avenue Course Builder to add an eUnit to a course. First, log into avenue.ca. Then, click on the Resources link in the banner. In the drop-down menu, choose the Course Builder option. To request an eUnit be added to your course in the Course Builder, you must pin or select at least one eUnit. After you select an eUnit, the shopping cart icon appears in the banner at the top of the page. Click on the shopping cart icon to open the Pinned eUnits panel. Click the trash can icon beside a pinned eUnit to remove it from the list. To remove all pinned eUnits, click the Clear All trash can icon at the top of the panel. After clicking Clear All eUnits will be deselected and the shopping cart icon will be hidden until you select more eUnits. When you have selected the eUnits to add, click on the Request Course button at the bottom of the shopping cart panel. The Course Builder New Request screen appears. In the New or Existing Course drop-down, select the existing course to which you want to add the eUnits. Under Selected eUnits, drag the move icons up or down to adjust the order in which the eUnits will appear in the course. Click on the Submit Course Request button at the bottom of the page. The eUnit addition request will be processed, and you will receive an email when it is ready. The List of Course Requests page will open, where you can see the status of your request. Clicking on Details will open a panel with information about the requested course. When the eUnits have been added to the course, instructors will receive an email notification.